Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to graph rational functions. Let's see. So if we have this function, first we need to check for wholes. So if the denominator and numerator, if they have something in common, like if I factorize, first step is to factorize. If I factorize it, I will get x. I'm just taking x common, x and x plus 3, right? Suppose in the numerator we have x plus 3, so we can cancel them out and there would be some wholes. But in this function, we can see there is nothing common between numerator and denominator, right? So there is no whole. Now let's see asymptotes. So there are three types of asymptotes: vertical, horizontal, and slanting. So vertical means like this, horizontal is this, and slanting is this. So to check vertical, we need to move like denominator, we need to put is equals to 0. If I put this is my denominator equals to 0, I will get x is equals to 0 and x is equals to negative 3. So x is equals to 0 is this red line, and x is equals to negative 3 is this, right, this line. So that's how we got vertical asymptotes. Now to handle horizontal asymptotes, there could be three cases. If denominator is bigger than numerator, like here, we need to focus on the power. Like the power here is 5 and here we have 3. So 5 is bigger than 3, then horizontal asymptotes is going to be y is equals to 0. If they both are equal, like here, both powers are 2 and 2. So let's check the coefficient. Coefficient of numerator is 3 and denominator is 1. So we divide them 3 over 1, which is 3. So y is equals to 3 is going to be my horizontal asymptote. If numerator is greater than denominator, like here, numerator we have 6 and denominator is 3, then there won't be any horizontal asymptote. Now in this in our rational function, because in numerator we don't have anything, let's say we have x to the power 0. So basically numerator here is less than denominator, right? So if you see here, when numerator is less than denominator, the horizontal asymptote is y is equals to 0. So basically what we do is y is equals to 0 is a horizontal, we are talking about, this is for horizontal asymptote, right? So y is equals to 0 means this asymptote which is passing through 0, right? So we got two vertical and one horizontal asymptote. Now how do we handle slanting asymptote? When numerator is 1 more than denominator, like in this case 3 is 1 more than 2, we need to focus on exponent, then there would exist slanting asymptote. Like in this case, if we have 2 2, they are same, so there won't be any slanting asymptote. Like if we have here 4 and 7, no slanting asymptote, right? So if numerator is 1 more than denominator, only then slanting asymptote would be there. So slanting is no. Now to find intercept, to find y-intercept, we need to put x as 0. So if we put x 0, then this is what we are going to get: 1 over 0. That means like if you put it in your calculator, it would show error. So that means there is no y-intercept. For x-intercept, we need to put y is equals to 0. So if you put y 0, here 0, this term will become 0. Denominator 0 is equals to 1. That does not make sense. That means no x-intercept, right? Now this functions has no x and y intercept. To find sign analysis, these two are my vertical asymptote. Now on either side of this vertical asymptote, we need to check the sign. Like if you check this is negative 4, right? This side of a vertical asymptote, this is my vertical asymptote. So this side, I can take negative 4. So if I, at place of x, I'm going to put negative 4. So this is going to be negative, and if I put at place of x negative 4, this value would be negative 4 positive 3, which is negative 1, right? Negative negative is positive. That means I'm going to get positive y. When x is negative, I'm getting y positive. uh, so basically y positive means this will go in the upward direction, right? Because positive y values we have in the upward direction. Now let's check the other side of this vertical asymptote. Because it is going upward, so along the horizontal asymptote it will go in this direction, right? So this is how this side of vertical asymptote would look like. To check the other side, what we need to do, like here if I take negative 2, negative 2, I'm now checking this side of vertical asymptote. So this is going to be negative. Now if I put negative 2 here, this value is going to be positive. Positive and negative means negative. So that means I am going to get negative value. Negative means uh, I will go downward because negative y-axis is towards downward, right? Now I will check this side of this vertical asymptote. Y is equals to 0 was my, like, this was also one of the vertical asymptote, right? So to check this side, I'm going to take let's say I'm taking negative 1. So if I put negative 1 here, this is going to be negative. If I put negative 1 here, this is going to give me positive value. So positive negative is negative. So negative, this is again I'm getting a negative value. So that means it will go downward. Now they both are downward. So just join them. So you will get something like this, right? It would look like this. Okay. Now we need to check this side, right? To check this side, if you see this is positive 1, so if I put positive 1, this value is positive. If I put positive 1 here, this is going to give me positive. So that means positive positive is just positive, so it will go upward. If it goes upward, it will go like this horizontally. So this is how um, we plot or we graph rational functions. I hope this is clear. Thank you.